Howdy do. Hello everyone, welcome. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. My name is Jara, and today's video I want to do a video on my most used winter bags of 2022. So if this is something that you're interested in watching, then stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so I'm going to get right into it. This is March, the middle of March 2023, and I am just now doing a video on my most used winter bags of 2022. I wanted to get this done a little earlier, like in February, but it's just the beginning of spring, so I figure I'm right on time. The criteria for most used bag for me will be a bag that I carried more than 1 week. Just to let you guys know up front, these 5 bags that I'm going to show you, I've carried for 2 weeks during the winter time, and or I carried the bag more than once throughout the winter. So the first bag is this Coach zip top tote in signature print in the color gold khaki and saddle. So this is the first bag. My lights are flickering, you guys. There's like a windstorm going on right now. My lights just flickered. Okay, back to the video. So that is the first bag. I have all of my bags hanging on my purse tree. So here's my purse tree, you guys. All right, the second bag is going to be this F&W tote bag that I purchased from TJ Maxx, and it looks like this. And here's the inside of the bag. This beautiful bright pink lining. I enjoyed carrying this so much, and I love the inside of it. Every time I would go and get something out of my bag and I would see that bright pink, it just put a smile on my face. So I really enjoyed this. So there's that. Now the next bag is this Dooney Burke shopper bag in the color black on black, and it looks like this. I did not do a what's in my bag video on this because I don't know, every time I went to go carry this bag, you guys, I think I wasn't in a mood to do a video or something like that. I think that's how I was feeling. But yeah, I enjoyed carrying this throughout the winter time. Now this is the third bag I've shown. If you haven't noticed, there's a theme. The theme is these are all tote bags. All 5 of my most used bags are totes, and I am new to carrying totes, so that shows you guys how much I've been into carrying tote bags. So there's that. Okay, moving forward, on to the fourth bag is this Rebecca Minkoff Megan tote in the color silver. I did do a what's in my bag video on this, and this is what it looks like. And the inside, it's like this. Very lightweight bag, beautiful silver color, silver hardware. Loved it. Okay, so there's that. And then this is a quick video, you guys. The last bag I want to share with you guys is this baby right here. This is a INC bag that I purchased off of Macy's.com. This is my Sherpa bag in the color New Camel. and it looks like this. Here's a quick look at the inside. I did do a what's in my bag video on this. So there's the 5th bag, you guys. And then I want to show you guys a honorable mention, which is a smaller bag that I would carry when I wanted to run errands. Let me get it real quick. Here it is. I would use this bag when I want to run a quick errand after work, or I'm having a quick lunch, brunch, dinner real quick with family and friends. I would carry this bag by Amy Kestenberg. So it looks like this. I think this was included in one of my haul videos over the winter time. Isn't it like this? And here's the inside of this bag. So yeah, you guys, that is it for my most used wintertime bags of 2022. What do you think of my collection? Then let's make this fun, you guys. I want to tag some people. I'll put in the description, I'll tag a few YouTubers to do this video as well. It doesn't have to be 5 bags. It can be your most used 3 bags. So join me in this tag if you're in the mood to do so, if you haven't already put up your winter bags, okay? So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. If so, show me that you enjoyed it by giving this video a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment section if you choose to. Alright, you guys, so to conclude this video, I want to say thank you to all of my subscribers, both existing and new. I see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.